on. We just flew out to Guyana. Now we just got here. I ain't show y'all the plane and stuff because you know I'm terrified of planes, so they knocked me out. Nah, I'm playing. We're not going to Guyana. Ray's parents went to Guyana. I took the ride with them, and now we in Miami, son. That was my first time inside of an airport. That's crazy. Barely in the airport. Yeah, that was nothing. Damn, we got a Porsche right here. What I'm talking about, bro. 911 Carrera. Damn. Screw the panorama, bro. This is what I need in my life, bro. This is what I need. But I want a GT3 RS. If I could. That's beautiful. We is whipping the big body, son. We whipping the big body. Alright, so
SunPass Plus. SunPass.
You don't have SunPass Plus, bitch.
So what the fuck is this?
Regular has SunPass, nigga. Randy went there, right? And it said feed $10. Like, I got SunPass. I got SunPass. Wait, where you going?
I'm trying to get SunPass. I'm not trying to pay $10.
Oh my god, bro. It's oh look, her shit worked right away. Watch this shit. Alright, please insert ticket. Insert the ticket.
She insert shit.
Oh man. Oh. Oh man.
Bro.
It's gonna say, please pay. Wait, so you gonna go to the other lane?
No, I'm just gonna fucking pay $10.
It's $10, nigga. Yo, we was stuck at the airport, bro. His car declined.
Nah, nigga, my shit got money. Bad.
Come on, I told you go to the other lane, bro. They got dollars and shit over there. This man is still in the SunPass lane with declining ass credit cards. Oh my god, dog. Alright, let's see if this one works.
It works.
Credit card declined! Dolphins Mall, we in this mother sucker! I bought a jacket from H&M. I know what they did to the black kid was fucked up, but I still got it. And I know this sounds bad. I know what I did was bad. I deliberately walked into H&M knowing what they did and still walked out with some merch because come on, bro, 80% off, son? Would you miss out on an 80% off H&M sale? Please, like, come on, son, don't coon me, bro. Don't big boy me, buddy. Now back to the video, B. I got a nice dress shirt from Hollister. I couldn't find those shoes that I wanted. Just left Dolphins Mall. Now on our way back home. 5 o'clock traffic on the turnpike. About to get lit, bro. Pray for us.
Shut the fuck up.
Damn, boy, you gonna disrespect me on my vlog?
You in your vlog.
Me, you, me. Just got back from Miami and my car is dead. It will not crank. Like the battery is completely dead. I have no idea how it died other than being a race car. Kidding. Bro, it's not a race car, bro. Well, Randy found some jumper cables. Now it's working again. Yeah. I gotta figure out what's draining my battery. Yeah. I know I look like Wesley Snipes right now. But I just left the mall, I had to pick up my package right there. Online ordering, B, it's the best. Bro, I was so close to buying these Adidas, bro. They're so clean, bro. Like, God, I want them. But now I'm on my way to the hospital because my little niece is here, son. Jazman Starr is here, bro. Bro, you know what they say, bro. If you don't look back at your car when you walk away from it, that means you got high blood pressure, B. Yo. Oh my God. She looks so small.
I know, you see her little face.
Yeah, what happened right there?
Where? She scratched herself.
Oh, yeah, look at you already smile. You know your favorite uncle right here. So she was born exactly at 12:30? 12:30, January 9th. 6 pounds and 11 ounces. Jazman Starr, y'all. Man, I could have clickbaited this video. My new kid. You got a kid, bro? They got good hair too. Somebody's awake an hour later. Your eyes gonna open. Yeah, you up now? What's up?
Hey, Unc.
Yeah, I'm Unc right here. I'm gonna be rich when you about 1 year old. You gonna have a nice little race car. You gonna be clean. What's up? Jazman. What's up, girl? You smell like Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops?
Yeah, she smell like Fruit Loops. What you got up in there? Let me eat. I'm hungry. You got some Fruit Loops? I can't put you in no H&M, boy. They have some nice little stuff in there. Can't use you no more. Little soft feet. Little ashy feet. No, you black. Babies are so funny. She all kicked out. Oh, you're a trip, man.
Dang, she stretched that leg out.
She wanted to stretch so bad. Ooh, I know that feel good, boy. Look at that. Oh, ooh. Dry. Yeah, chilling. Hey, Jazman. Yeah, you chilling. Your little feet. She probably hungry. You think she's trying to suck on something?
It's almost 10.
You farting, man? Man. Already farting. Your fart smell like Fruit Loops too.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Just now leaving the hospital, gonna come up here tomorrow to spend some more time with my baby, Jazman. Man, I could've easily said this is my baby in this video. I got a hell of a view. Yo, you got a baby, bro? Oh my God, bro. One day, my G's, one day, your boy. I need to have a kid before like 26. I wanna be a young dad, bro. Like, I wanna grow with my child. I'm 22 now. I'm gonna tell you my life plan in like a minute. Actually, I lied because I'm already at my car. And time to go home, so let's get home. All right, so I'm just now getting home, and I got 2 boxes right here. I'm pretty sure my headlights in this one. This is my radio block-off plate. I got that notification from eBay that my thing delivered. But I know this is my headlights, so I finally got some headlights, baby. Boy, I finally got some headlights. Lit! But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just a cool little lifestyle vlog. I'm actually thinking about, like, you know, doing more type of vlogs like this where, like, I just vlog my day in the life instead of, like, everything cars. Because I know people want to see more than just cars on my channel. And trust me, I know I've been saying this for, like, the past year, but comedy videos will be coming because, honestly, this year, I want to start stand-up comedy. Like, look, bro, my goal in life is to be a great stand-up comedian / actor / dope-ass Integra builder. That's my goals in life, bro. So this year, I want to get out my comfort zone more, and I want to try to do stand-up comedy. I'm gonna try to write some material over the course of like the next couple of months, and then display like an open mic night in West Palm or something. So, yep, so just know your boy got some comedy stuff rolling out. I just gotta film it and write it. Produce it. That was a bad order. I gotta write it, film it, edit, produce. But that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Can't wait to go see my niece tomorrow. Oh, she's here, bro. She is here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another one. I'm out. Peace.